Is it time to buy or sell MicroCloud Hologram stock? In this video, we will explore MicroCloud Hologram in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2025, our system has identified MicroCloud Hologram as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.62%. This equates to an average return of 0.92% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible decline of nearly 8% over the following 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a decrease of 32% to an increase of nearly 10%. In terms of the longer term, our analysis over 12 months reveals a projected change of approximately negative 61%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary significantly from a complete loss to an increase of nearly 800% over the next year. This would suggest a future price ranging from $0 to nearly $48.34. Our latest daily update for MicroCloud Hologram includes the headline: significant movements in MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, fluctuating by 12.33% between high and low. The stock price of MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated decreased by 0.184% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, dropping from $5.44 to $5.43. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 12.33%, moving from a low of $5.27 to a high of $5.92. The price has shown volatility during this period, with a total gain of 20.4% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 778,000 shares, despite the declining prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that risks may elevate slightly in the coming days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, valued at approximately $14.41 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $375.20, while the lowest was $4.16. Currently, the price is 98.55%, or $369.77, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $141,034.57, below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2023, when the price peaked at $141,040. MicroCloud Hologram, ticker HOLO, is demonstrating a rapid transition from research to revenue and strategic asset plays. The company has projected a net profit exceeding 230 million renminbi for the first half of 2025, marking a significant turnaround from last year's losses. Additionally, its cryptocurrency investments, totaling up to $200 million in Bitcoin-linked derivatives, have yielded cumulative gains now reported above $40 million. Simultaneously, HOLO continues to announce technical advancements, including developments in noise-resistant deep quantum neural networks, a multi-qubit state-sharing scheme, and recent progress in precision measurement within superconducting quantum systems. The management also maintains substantial cash reserves designated for derivatives and technology development. In the short term, the rebound in profits and visible cryptocurrency gains can enhance investor sentiment, potentially drive the share price up due to momentum, and improve liquidity for operations. However, near-term volatility remains high due to cryptocurrency exposure and execution risks. Over the long term, the successful commercialization of its quantum, blockchain, and augmented reality initiatives could significantly reevaluate the stock. This outcome will depend on technology adoption timelines, competitive pressures, and disciplined capital deployment. Analysts have assigned MicroCloud Hologram stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroCloud Hologram. The MicroCloud Hologram Incorporated stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these signals, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support levels at $5.03 and $4.68. A decline below either of these levels would generate sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and the stock has since increased by 25.69%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, a buy signal has also emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have been generated as well, which could impact near-term developments. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is recommended. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 67 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroCloud Hologram. MicroCloud Hologram Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $5.19. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band indicates that it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 650 cents between its high and low, amounting to 12.33%. Throughout the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 10.51%. Before we explore the potential positive trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This essential metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroCloud Hologram. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroCloud Hologram is at $5.85. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroCloud Hologram encounters its first support level at $5.19. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroCloud Hologram from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2023, when Wang Maggie executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of ordinary shares, with a par value of $0.0001. We recommend setting a stop loss at $5.28, which represents a decline of 2.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a higher level of risk. A buying signal was generated from a pivot bottom identified 32 days ago. Is MicroCloud Hologram stock a good buy? Several short-term signals indicate a positive outlook. Despite the stock's current downward trend, we believe that the present level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we anticipate MicroCloud Hologram will open higher by 11 cents and commence trading at $5.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and we hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.